Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Node.js dependencies using npm audit and Snyk detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the root directory of your Node.js project. Ensure you have Node.js and npm installed. Verify your Node.js and npm versions by typing node-v and npm-v. Next, run the command npm install to install your project dependencies if you haven't already. Once the dependencies are installed, execute npm audit in the terminal. The npm audit command analyzes your project's dependencies for known vulnerabilities. Review the output displayed in the terminal. Pay close attention to any critical vulnerabilities identified. To further enhance your security checks, we will use Snyk. Start by creating a Snyk account if you do not have one. Once registered, install the Snyk CLI by running npm install gsnyk. Authenticate your Snyk CLI by executing Snyk auth. You will be prompted to enter your Snyk authentication token. After successful authentication, run the command snyk test in your project directory. This command scans your project's dependencies against Snyk's vulnerability database. Take note of any vulnerabilities reported by Snyk. Snyk provides suggestions on how to fix these vulnerabilities. To fix issues automatically, you can run Snyk Wizard. This interactive command will guide you through the process of patching vulnerabilities. If you prefer not to use the interactive wizard, you can run Snyk Monitor to keep track of vulnerabilities over time. Review the generated report carefully to assess the security posture of your application. Make sure to regularly audit your dependencies to maintain security. Incorporate these audits into your development cycle for best practices. Following these steps helps ensure that your Node.js application remains secure and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.